I bet you're doing at least 3 of these exercises wrong, and if so, let's fix them right now. One really common mistake that people do when they're doing walking lunges is walking like they're on a tightrope. So they're really narrow in their stance. Instead, what you want to do is you want to actually step out to the side so you're still about shoulder width stance as you go into this walking lunge. This is going to give you a much wider base and allow you to be much more stable through the movement. Another common mistake is when people are doing planks, it's either their hips are too high or sagging down too low. Where ideally you want them is in a neutral position with your legs fully extended, tailbone tucked, and chest tall through here like so, to maintain a neutral spine so you're parallel with the floor. Another super common mistake that most people make is going too high and overextending, putting more tension through their lower back during hip thrusts. Now, in order to fix this, at the bottom you want to ensure that you have a neutral spine. So you can do a slight tuck here, and then as you extend, you're only going to extend where your hips are in line with your knees, ensuring that your tailbone is tucked up underneath here, so you're putting that pressure through your glutes and not your lower back. One thing that people get wrong when they're doing their cable face pulls is their finished position is way too low. They're doing it more so like a row. So instead what you want to do is you want to pull back with your shoulder blades and you want to finish in a box or an upright position with your arms. So you're getting more rotation from your shoulders and squeezing through your mid back. The last common mistake I see all the time is when you're doing a lat pull down, leaning way too far back, turning this into a row. So instead of being a horizontal movement, you want to be in a much more upright in a vertical position, still leaning back a bit, but coming downwards rather than across your body. So hopefully you learned something from that video, and if you want to learn more about these exercises, we have tons of them on our YouTube channel.